好，各位同學睇下 DSE Physics 啊，2025年嘅第23條啦。Negatively charged particle X enters an electric field with initial velocity v 啦，perpendicular to the field lies as shown. Neglect the effects of gravity。咁我呢度有一粒喺呢個位置啊，呢粒 particle X 咧就係咁樣垂直穿過佢，穿過呢啲 E field 嚟嘅。有個 initial velocity，OK，跟住佢就畫俾你睇，佢會有個咁嘅 path，咁嘅 path，OK，咁呢度就睇下先，particle X 咧未 move along 邊條 path，佢呢度就問，佢話應該會咁樣直線穿過佢，OK，即係沿住 PQ 呢條 path，定係會屈咗過嚟 PR 呢條 path 咧？OK，好，首先呢粒係一粒 charge particle 嚟嘅。Negatively charged particle。咁所以咧，佢係有 charge 嘅情況之下咧，佢呢度絕對唔會直線行先啦。因為有 charge 而煙晒 E field 喎，喺 electric field 裏邊一啲 charge particle 全部都感受到 electric force。咁所以啦，佢絕對唔會直線行，直線行代表住佢冇任何 force 係咪？但唔會有任何 force 影響佢，令到佢轉彎先啦。咁所以啦，PQ 呢兩個絕對就不是啦。好，跟住個問題就係咁，究竟沿住 PR 嘅時候，佢會係一個咩咧？係 increasing and decreasing speed 啦。好，首先點解佢會咁樣屈曲過去先？OK，咁樣屈曲過去其實即係咩咧？就係佢垂直行緊過去，穿過佢嘅時候咧，其實佢係會感受到一個咧，即係假設佢呢個位置其實會感受到一個咧向住左手邊嘅一個 force，所以先至拱咗呢粒 particle，除咗要直線行之外咧，仲會向住左手邊屈曲過去。OK，行咗呢邊呢條 path 嘅。所以其實就係咩咧？呢個係咩方式？呢個其實就係佢所感受緊嘅 electric field 所俾佢嘅 electric force 嚟嘅。OK，咁所以佢呢度就會咁樣屈服佢啦。所以佢感受到嘅 electric force 越強勁咧，其實佢就向住呢一邊，即係向住左手邊，佢嗰個velocity 就會一路增加。OK，咁而佢個speed 會係增加得越即係增加緊定減少緊。原本因為佢係一個垂直咁樣穿過佢嘅，呢個 V 係唔會變嘅，只係打橫方向 electric field electric force 嗰個方向，咁先至會令到呢粒 particle 有一個增加嘅 speed 嘅啫。OK，增加嘅 velocity 啦，因為佢一直感受緊呢一個方向嘅 force，所以佢一直會有呢個方向嘅 velocity 嘅增加。OK，咁所以佢個 velocity 會越加越大，就並沒有越嚟越細嘅。咁所以即係話咩？應該係越嚟越大 increasing 嘅 speed 嚟啦，咁絕對唔係 decrease 啦。OK，咁所以答案係 dot 啦。